It's filled with the OGs. The chat is filled with the OGs. Officer kicks doors open as armed suspect forces family inside. Alright, this is a movie shit, probably. This is nuts.
Oh, okay. Where the bags at? Hurry up. Where the bags at? They back there. They back there. Open it now. Hurry. Open.
Yo, this shit not even funny, chat.
Open. They in there. Get down.
This is the one thing that could go wrong being a Brinks truck driver. Like, it ain't her fault, but this is just the one thing that can go wrong. That's it.
Hurry up. Put him in it. Put the bags in it. Hurry up. Put the rest back. Hurry up. Hurry up. That's this trash. Okay. We can start this weapon. What? We can start this weapon. What are you talking about?
He locked her in there? Yo, what type of fucking shit is this?
That's the sound of the police.
Uh-oh. Can't waste the hype train. I mean, Camry got a sub. He ain't here because he got a sub.
Copy, still eastbound, traffic conditions,
Speed. Number 2 unit, take it.
Speeds 120. Traffic is starting to pick up a little bit, still eastbound.
We 7 away from hitting the goal on Twitch, man. Y'all want that 8-hour stream or what? 8 hours of straight body cam. 8 hours straight of body cams. I'll go to sleep on that bitch.
Copy that. ED units, you copy. LCSO unit 306 is attempting to move up.
Of course, Chester, of course.
Tell them come up in the fast lane.
Spider with the 5 gifted. Yeah, yo, that's enough, Spider. That's enough.
Alright, so eastbound speed.
That's enough, bro.
105. Traffic is light. Coming up to Grayton Road.
W Spider's W Spider in the chat. W Spider in the chat, man. Appreciate that follow. You tapping that screen, TikTok. Spider. Now I gotta do an 8-hour stream. Oh my fucking god.
Drive speed 105.
8 hours.
Alright, we're coming up to Brook Park. You can be going back westbound road. Like traffic.
Why you want to see this fucking salt covered view? We can't see shit. We know this nigga just robbed a Brinks truck, right? So, what's next? Okay.
Blackmail.
Alright, here we go. Right here. Here we go.
Traffic is light.
Karina, what happened?
Coming up to Columbia.
Oh, he macked up. Okay. Why would you do it too?
Males gonna be fleeing.
Yeah, that nigga got across the street fast as hell.
Copy that. Make sure immediate attention to the struck vehicle. Black male, gray hoodie, jeans.
ما ندوش أمير ضلك عند الدوش شوي ماما ضلك عند الدوش بجيب الشوكولاتة أنا بجيب ايه الشوكولاتة
Bring your little ass in the house. God, bro. Oh my God. Oh, bro.
Get in there. Go. Go. Go in the house.
What makes you think? What made him think he was gonna get away with that? Like that's like, come on, bro. You gonna take somebody mom hostage with their kids outside and think nobody's gonna see nothing? Why even think to even do that? Just give up, bro. Just give up. Lay in the snow. Okay. Oh! Yo, what the?
That's the sound of the police.
This nigga is not playing. Nah, they gotta have the body cam. They gotta have the body cam view. They have to. There's no way. It's too late for the dog, bro. It's too late.
Slow down.
TikTok, follow me on Twitch before they ban me, bro. Come on, follow me on Twitch. Follow me on Twitch before they ban me, bro. Alright, they got. Where they park, nigga? Come on.
Come on, back up. Move.
Nigga, instantly, bro. No hesitation, no waiting, no nothing. Hostage, you gotta go. Why would you try to? Why, bro? Why would you try and run in somebody's house?
Get out of the house! Get out of the house now! Show me your fucking hands! Put your hands out! Don't fucking move! Don't move! Hands behind your back!
The nigga tried to run in phone posits in the snow? Phone posits in the fucking snow. You kidding me, bro? You're an idiot. You gotta be an idiot.
On his right side!
Hey, yo, Devin, this idiot is wearing phone posits, bro, in the snow.
Exit out! Contact the EMS! Grab my kit! Guns on his right side! You got it.
Highly doubt if he would have shot if it was another person.
Ill area. Medkits up! Get in your houses! Get in your homes! 24496F.
You would have said huh like 2 times.
I got mass cast.
Give me those shears.
Here. Shit.
We need light. Light?
Lights. Here.
That's what it looks like. Got one of the right side of it.
Yeah, that's probably gonna be it.
Hey, I made a reload. Watch my magazine.
Yeah. What do you guys need? Oh, we need chest seal.
I got him.
Let's get chest seal. Let's go a clear path for EMS.
Really 3 million people?
All right, we need a clear path for ambulance.
What happened? A whole lot just happened, bro. You missed it.
What do you need?
Nothing yet.
All right.
My boy done robbed the bank, ran into somebody's house, and held someone hostage within 2 hours, and stole a car.
Here, let me get this out.
I don't know if that was his car though, but the way he was driving it had that stolen.
One in that leg.
Bart, I got a kit. Glove up.
Yep, hit me up. I get a kit now.
Here, glove.
One's on.
Just tell me what you need.
All right.
Go to the side.
Where's he at?
House.
I don't, dude.
What?
I don't know.
Okay, give me some.
Just, we're good. He's hit. Just get us a clear ambulance route.
Two in his butt. Alright, I need some gauze now.
Hey, let's check front real quick. It's nothing too bad.
Yeah.
Z-fold or wrap? Z-fold or wrap? Here.
I got one.
Second glove. Yeah.
Start plugging. Start plugging.
Hey, seal up.
Seal?
Thank you. Seal up.
If you got any other
He's got two in his butt.
Keep tapping that screen,
I
TikTok.
got
Keep
mass
tapping
kit.
it.
Just tell me what you need.
check his chest one more time. How's his breathing?
Let's start CPR.
Move.
Unconscious.
You seal. I'm starting CPR. Pressure is down.
Hey! Expedite.
Go to the side to me.
Man, the whole fucking
We need EMS straight to the door. I need a fucking just.
Cut all this clothes off now.
I just
Maybe
get
his
my bag.
AirPods
I need
were on.
union rep. Yeah.
26.
I'm
Listen,
here.
those people house
I'm right here.
How's the least of them worries, bro? I know they got holes in their fucking sofa.
Yeah. Yeah, just need a second. Just put it in my trunk. If you guys are done with it, put it in my trunk. Just zip it up.
Too much action, man. That's too much
no, buddy,
action
check
in real
me.
life. That action be serious in real life. Gotta take a breather, chat. Got to take a breather.
Hey.
Just 1 second, buddy. Check first.
Hey. I'm taking this off.
Not until I get a replacement. Leave it till I get a replacement.
I'll give you mine.
Just leave it there till I get a replacement.
Take this off, man.
It's.
I didn't see him run in there.
I did.
Oh.
I did. Last fucking second.
Okay.
I saw. Anything?
No.
All right. That's just probably just pain.
Yo, chat, he went in there with no hesitation. That nigga, bro, at that point, we've seen this before where they took a hostage and they waited, they was outside. This nigga went in there, size 12 boot to the door. Like, that shit is crazy, bro. Size 12 boot to the door, started shooting. It's crazy.
Are they coming in?
Yeah.
You good? Any cameras on me, go to mute.
Any cameras on? Any cameras go mute right now.